Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you should be able to solve this math problem. PEMDAS is saying, hey, you are dividing first. So what is 2 divided by 5? I'm just going to write 2 over 5. Let's bring that minus sign down. And let's bring that 7 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 7 over 1 equals 7. Does not change to 7. And then let's bring the other 2 times 7 over 1. 7 over 1 equals 7 does not change to 7. Now we're looking at this. Looking back at PEMDAS, multiplication will go first. So we are just going to multiply across. So 2 times 7 is 14. Good job. Over, what is 5 times 1? 5. So I am going to erase this part we don't need. And then I am going to write the 14 over 5 here, the minus sign here, and let's bring the 7 over 1 closer to the right. So 7 over 1. Let's write the 7 a little bit better. There we go. There, got the 7. Okay, notice that we are subtracting 2 fractions. And the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. I am going to use this color. No, I'm going to use this color. This color. Okay, so we're going to draw 2 antennas, 2 wings, and a body. So what is 7 times 5? This is the first wing. What is 7 times 5? 35. Good job. Next, we draw the other wing. I forgot to draw the antennas. Here's the first antenna, and here's the other antenna. So what is 1 times 14? 14. Good job. Lastly, we draw the body. So 1 times 5 is 5. So the denominator is 5. And don't leave yet because we need to get a mixed number answer and a decimal answer using long division. Unless you already know that, just put those in the comment section down below. And let's continue solving this problem, this math problem. So what is 35 minus 14? Let's do simple subtraction here. 35 minus 14. So we do this and this. No, we don't need to do that. What am I doing? 35 minus 14. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is 21. 21 over 5, and this cannot be simplified further. So this is it. This is the answer. This is called an improper fraction answer. But don't leave yet because we need to get the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So let me erase this and write the first answer, 21 over 5. And then I'll write the mixed number answer here, and then lastly the decimal answer here using long division. So we're going to draw the long division symbol. The 21 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend, and the 5 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 21? 4, right? Because 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. You can fit 5s 4 times in the 21. So we subtract here. 21 minus 20 is 1. So we can write our mixed number answer. So 4 is the whole number. 1 goes above the fraction bar or the division bar. And then 5 goes below the fraction bar or division bar. And we have 4 1/5 or 1 over 5. Let's continue our long division so we can get our decimal answer. So how many times can 5 fit into 1? You cannot, so we need to borrow 0 and give it to the 1. So I add a decimal after the 21 and after the 4, write a 0 here, bring down the 0, give it to the 1. Now 1 becomes 10. How many times can 5 fit into 10? How many? 2. Good job. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So your decimal answer is 4.2. And there you go. You have an improper fraction answer, a mixed number answer, and lastly, a decimal answer. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And let me draw you some happy faces. Happy face here, 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 and happy face here and here. Bye. See you in the next video. And please give this video a like. Thank you. I need the likes.